how to show or remove the comma key and the period key in the Samsung keyboard spacebar row on the Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down. And from here, tap on General Management. After that, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now from Samsung Keyboard, we scroll down. Then tap on Layout. In here, go down to the Spacebar row style. And in the General section, tap on the comma key. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. So here you can see if with the period key, if I switch it off, then it will hide the period key. If I switch it on, they will show the period key. The return key will be smaller to make space and accommodate the period key. Likewise, with the comma key, if I switch it off, it will increase the size of the spacebar. And that's it. After that, we can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.